Veladon A4. DAHON debuts Veladon A4, the first ever aluminum road bike designed with DAHON V technology. Through enhancing the frame stiffness of the entire bike, DAHON V gives a major uplift of speed performance for any kind of bikes. The innovative technology has received worldwide coverage by more than 1,000 media, including major media outlets such as Bloomberg, Forbes, Reuters, etc. Inspired by the anatomy of birds, the professional R&D team of DAHON designed the bike frame, assigning names to key parts and applying for patents for a number of major components. Eagle frame. Using the strongest, most logical and stable triangular structure, the aluminum frame is proven by lab tests that its rigidity has surpassed that of conventional aluminum road bikes by 20 to 30%. Soaring seat stay. With top tube and seat stay aligned in a straight line, connecting directly to the rear axis. The front and rear triangles are fully capitalized to maximize the rigidity of the structure among the front and the rear axes towards the bottom bracket. Dual curved cones. Conventional seat tubes are often slightly carved at the main part in order to make way for the rear wheel. Designed with curvature on the front and on the sides of the seat tube, the dual curved cones increase frame rigidity by 10% more than conventional round tubes of the same size, effectively mitigating the loss in both strength and rigidity due to front derailleur placement. Eagle triangle. Built in a reinforced oval tube triangular structure, the Eagle triangle, combined with the soaring top tube and seat stay, as well as the dual curved cones, contributes to 32.9% uplift in frame rigidity compared with regular road bike frames, according to FEA tests. Higher frame rigidity leads to better speed performance. Studies have shown that professional cyclists riding on Veladon A4 are ranked #1 on key indicators such as average speed and cycling efficiency. It's faster than almost all road bikes, including a famous brand name road bike that is worth over 20,000 RMB. Veladon A4 features a fully internal cable routing and a low step-through design, giving it a sleek and elegant appearance. It is the result of the DAHON V technology that integrates power and speed, offering a captivating urban racing experience that brings riders a new sensation of speed and experience. The debut of Veladon A4 signifies a milestone that DAHON has gone beyond folding bikes. Equipped with DAHON V technology, DAHON's high-quality road bikes will undoubtedly carve out a new realm in the global large-wheel bicycle category. Like any other products of DAHON, Veladon A4 is undoubtedly a high-quality product with perfect configuration offering great value for money. Equipped with Shimano Tiagra 2x10, it has clear, easy, and seamless gears that can shift with high precision. Equipped with a Shimano Tiagra 36-52 T-hollow integrated chainwheel and Shimano 11-32 freewheel, it provides riders with swift accelerations, robust pedaling, and efficient cruising speeds. It adopts a DAHON-designed wheel set, with aluminum alloy bearing hubs for smooth riding, and rims that can withstand high air pressure. The ride is still stable and smooth even in face of abrupt braking. It adopts Tektro flat mount mechanical disc brakes, which is sensitive and efficient to operate. The brake performance is reliable, improving riding safety and comfort. The frame geometry can be customized to cater to riders of all heights. Bike weight is 10.5 kilogram. Maximum load is 105 kilograms. With over 40 years of history, DAHON's founder, Dr. Han, is regarded as the father of folding bikes. DAHON has been recognized by Guinness World Records as the largest folding bike manufacturer, holding over 500 international patents over the years, including industry-leading innovations. Most folding bikes worldwide incorporate 5 to 6 DAHON folding technologies, embedding DAHON's DNA. Choosing DAHON means choosing trust and quality. With DAHON's perfect folding technology, you're embracing a light, fast, stylish and refreshing new lifestyle.